It's about 4:40 a.m. It is August 28th, and David and John say we're going to Madison, and we're going to go fishing on one of the lakes down there for some northern pike. So we'll see what happens. You can see what I'm seeing. So could be interesting. We'll see you out on the water. Bye-bye. Looks like the rain might be done, John.
Yeah.
Let's get out there and do this thing. Gators beware. Only been here for a minute. And, David's hooked up. Oh boy. Oh,
some mid-30s.
Whoa.
Not really.
Not really. He's got a mark on his back. Wow. Look at you, David. Right off the bat.
I think he looks alright.
Ooh. He's moving water.
Pretty good one, isn't it?
Not bad.
Like that other one, probably. Which side are you from? This other side, if you can.
Whoa! Whoa! He's kind of got one of those bigger heads and.
Yeah, not a lot of body.
David, you're on these fish.
I don't know what to say. That. No.
Nice enough, David. What's he using there, folks? We better take a look at it. Chartreuse. That is not. Wow, it must be just skill.
It is.
Man, the way he's moving that water, he is right. Similar. Whoa. David's got him. Ooh, chunkier, shorter, and chunkier. Almost got a little bit better build to him than the other ones. Maybe you need your picture taken. Whoa, he's loose. He's loose. He's loose.
Excellent work.
Thank you.
Nice chunky little northern.
Send pictures of that and make it 30, but we can no. We gotta at least send it. Somebody take a picture of me so we can send it to Dan. Oh God, kind of in a different spot here, and David latched on to one with that buzzbait. All right, well, David has caught like every single fish today so far. He's having a day using Uncle Jim's rod and reel. I don't know. I think it's something to. I think there's something to it. See if we can get Dave bringing one in here. Oh, yeah, and I got it on. It was the camera was on. I think we got that whole hit on the. Wow. A little bit better fish, David says. Wow, that is a little bit better. That's the best fish of the day. That's the best fish of the day.
Tire him out a little bit here.
Oh boy, that's mid-30s, low mid-30s. Wow. Whoa. Oh, he got away. Oh, I think we got some good.
I bet you that was a 35, 36.
I'm just kind of keeping this camera on a little bit because all of a sudden it seems. Oh!
I was cleaning the weeds off.
Oh, jeez Louise.
Is he a good one or?
I don't know.
30.
Right there's all.
Oh, he
Oh, they missed it again.
I'll throw it.
Go get him, John.
It's the same fish. Got him moved 20 feet.
I don't know. This is, as David would say, it's pandemonium.
Where is he, Willard? Oh, I see your bait. I don't think he's much. He's a little bigger.
Bigger than the first one I caught.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that. Okay. I bet he's over.
Well, a little thicker. John got him. Excellent work, Willard.
Somebody can take my picture. I got my tribute shirt on.
Oh, yeah. There.
That's not a bad fish.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Sometimes I take it right off of my head.
Well, that's a nice one.
There you go. Good job. Good job.
Look at that.
That's a nice looking fish.
Look at the
there.
big growths on the side of him. He's all messed up. We don't take a picture on that side.
Yeah, he's got some issues there. But that's a nice fish. Good job, John. Should we just let him go?
Yep.
Boy.
Oh. There's got to be a big one.
They're just everywhere out here. There he comes. Boy, he's bigger than the one we just had. I just can't. I don't know if I can tell you. There he got away. These fish are seconds apart. They're just every couple casts, sometimes multiple casts in a row.
He's just got a little muscly.
David has switched back to a spinnerbait. Oh, not huge. Oh, he's not ready yet. All right. Bring him to me. Looks like he's coming in a good direction for me. Got him. So I'm going to set down this camera, I guess. Okay. All right. Ready for him to go back? Okay, I mean, they're just... I think I might have that. As you can, I almost hate to turn off the camera. Oh, David, one of you should get one. Yeah, this has been some kind of a trip. If you want action, we got action for you.
That's right, I need a picture.
He does. Oh, it's a good one. Another decent one. Oh, yes, that's every bit as good as the one we just caught, I think. Every bit as good. Two decent ones right in a row. Wow, even bigger.
Yeah, he looks good.
Even bigger.
Yeah, he inhaled that. You got it, Will?
Yep.
Oh,
I had it.
Oh, it's in my hat. The line's in the camera.
Oh, no. Oh, dear.
Get the bait out of him.
Okay, John, I need to give you this fish.
I'll give you the camera.
I'm going to turn off this camera here. What are they?
He's fast.
All of a sudden, we're getting into these mid to low to mid 30s size fish. This is a nice one. Oh, and he got away.
Put it on that black spinner.
Yeah, since I switched to the black spinner, babe.
Oh, whoa! That's a nice one. That's a nice fish.
All of a sudden, the fish have increased in size.
Yes, they have. Oh, how'd he get over there? Nice thick fish. Another nice picture fish, Willard. We can get him. Look at that big old gator. Big thick back on him. And he's caught. Nice one, Willard.
Wow, another nice one. Well, I tell you, it's getting late in the morning. God, it's probably after 10 in the morning, and I don't know how much longer we're going to stay out here, but to call this day incredible would be an understatement, don't you think? I think so, too. John, have you ever caught this many northerns in a couple hours?
Been pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, been pretty good. We didn't get the 40 for Uncle Jim, but we're not done yet. Oh my God, this is a big one. I know we've said this before, but John is on a big fish. This is a big fish. This is truly a big fish. We were just about ready to call it a day. We're just about ready to call it a day, and John, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. You gonna be all right with him, John? You gotta. Oh boy is right. Oh my gosh. Would you say this is upper 30s? Oh golly Moses. How much? Hopefully we got enough battery power for this baby. Okay folks, David's gonna try to go in after this guy.
One behind, one.
He's got him.
All right.
He's got him. Oh
That's
my gosh.
one, but I don't think we got 40.
Oh, look at that.
It's heavy.
Giving a
This is 19 right here. I'd say you got 30 inches.
wow. We're calling it about 38 incher. Oh, John's gonna get his picture taken with that one. We got about 38 inches on him.
There you go.
Nice job, John. And this wraps up our show for today. What a show it was, huh? Well, Uncle Jim, almost a 40 incher, but we'll still dedicate that one to you. We'll still dedicate that one to Uncle Jim. Sure. Do you think you can? I gotta. Here he goes. Sooner or later he'll go. Oh, like sooner than later. All right, we're out of here. Great show, man.
The cattails yet.
video on that?
A little bit. He caught it too fast. I need to play those out a little bit so I can get those on film.